Streets by Paolo Nutini is played in standard tuning without a capo. The chords for the verse and chorus are D, F sharp minor, G major, and an A7. So we're going to start off with our D chord. Now first finger, second fret the G, second finger, second fret the high E, third finger, third fret the B string, and the D string is open too. I'm going to strum down, down, up, down. I'm going to keep this rhythm consistent throughout the verse and chorus. So down, down, up, down. Now when Paolo strums this, he has a slight drag on the second strum, so it's down, ring, up, down. So we have like a bit more of a push through the strings as we're strumming on the second beat there. So down, ring, up, down. We're then going to move to our F sharp minor chord. We have a first finger bar on the second fret there. Third finger, fourth fret of the A, pinky finger, fourth fret of the D string. And again, the strumming is the same and we have that rake on the second strum. So down, rake, up, down. Down, rake, up, down. Okay, so the D, down, rake, up, down, up. Into our F sharp minor chord, down, rake, up, down, up. And then to our G major chord. The second finger there on the third fret, the low E, first finger, second fret, the A string, and the third finger on the high E string at the third fret. The rest of the strings are open, and again the strumming is the same. Down, rake, up, down, up, down, rake, up, down, up. And then to our A7 chord, which is the A string open, second finger, second fret the D, G string is open, third finger, second fret the B, high E string is open, and we're not playing the low E string. Same rhythm again. Down, rake, up, down. So one bar of the D, down, rake, up, down, up. One bar of the F sharp minor, down, rake, up, down, up. One bar of the G, down, rake, up, down, up. One bar of the A7, down, rake, up, down, up. And that's played on repeat throughout most of the song. Now on the very last up strum, you're going to hear some of the open strings as we take our fingers off the chord to transition to the next chord. So we have the D, down, down, up, down. Open strings hit there on the up strum of the forehand as we transition to the F sharp minor. So I've played slowly, down, down, up, down, fingers off, F sharp minor, G, for the pre-chorus, we do have a different rhythm and some different chords too. We're going to start off with the B minor chord here at the first finger bar on the 7th fret, and we've got the third finger on the 9th fret of the A and pinky finger on the 9th fret of the D string. We're going to strum down, 1, mute, up, mute, like that, down, mute, up, mute, and then we'll have another mute, up, mute, up on the end. So down, mute, up, mute, 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 like that one more time slowly. Down, mute, up, mute, mute, Now to get that muting sound, all we need to do is stop pushing with the left hand and just kind of release the pressure so that we're not pushing our fingers into the guitar, and kind of resting the fingers across the strings gently. And then when we hit the strings, we have that muted sound. So pressure on, pressure off. Okay, so down, mute, up, mute, mute, That might take a little bit of getting used to. Then we move to our G chord again, same G chord as we played for the verse and chorus, and the rhythm is similar to what we've just played there, but without the mutes. Down, down, up, down, up, down, up. One more time. Down, down, up, down, up. Okay, so far the B minor, down, mute, up, mute, 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 into the G, down, down, up, down, to the B minor chords, same rhythm again, down, mute, all mute, and then to the A7, and we have the same rhythm as we did for the G chord, down, 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 down. Okay, so all the way through the pre-chorus is the B minor for 2 bars, G for 2 bars, B minor for 2 bars, going to the A7 chord for 2 bars, and again on the very last up strum we're going to be transitioning chords, so you might hear the open chord strum there. And the whole thing slowly is the B minor,